Look center. Right corner. Excuse me. Look center. Yes, ma'am. Here, please. First camera. Now your center. Excuse me. One more right corner. Thank you. Yeah. One more. Tell them wait.
After getting award? I am going to be presenting an award. Okay. So I'm not getting an award, and my company is performing tonight. So that's again something that I'm very closely associated with, part of the performing arts. So it gives me great pleasure to present the award. Really worthy, and pursue his music. So I think it's great that I'm giving such an award to such an amazing human being, and I'm very privileged to be here. The NRI Awards for Times in India is basically, for Times Now, is basically an amazing way of telling people out there, because the NRIs are really the brand ambassadors of our country. So when they go abroad and they set up their own businesses in their world, they kind of make the people outside our country aware of what resources, or what human resources we have, or what capabilities we have. And with them shining as examples, they kind of also promote the concept of what India truly is. It's global, it's opening up its windows to the world, and if you look at our Prime Minister to how the growth patterns have happened, I think we're really about to conquer the world. So I'm really happy to be part of this, and I'm very proud that all our NRIs are doing so well. And it's a great way to also felicitate them and to also encourage them to do better. So just happy about that.
So how important
Direct लगा direct.
Right.
this type of award should be there to appreciate?
Absolutely. Every award, especially when it comes from a recognized body like Times Now, who clearly know what they are doing, and they are into this in a very important manner. I think it kind of strengthens the belief of rocking. It also kind of adds value to the work that they do. It gives them also opportunities and windows to interact, and the fact that an award ceremony like this also brings in people from the banking institutions that lend money and that do transfers and do all of that. At the end of the day, it's a business, and for the business community that is linked to the NRI, it's very important that we come face to face with the people who can facilitate those single window processes. So I think it's great that in awards ceremony, not just for the awards, but also for the fact that they can socially mingle, figure out who's who, how can they move forward. It's also a meeting for great minds and great people who are doing business together to understand who's doing what in each country, apart from India, because so it kind of also gives you insight about what the people outside you are doing. And I think that's great in itself. And of course, the award itself also consolidates your belief that whatever you're doing is right and the right path.
So apart from it, there's a presence study with their dance performing as well.
नहीं मेरी कंपनी डांस परफॉर्मेंस कर रही है, टेरेंस लुइस कंटेम्परेरी डांस कंपनी में, इसको कोरियोग्राफ किया है, बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्ट किया है, कंसेप्चुअलाइज किया है. तो इस इवनिंग को मद्देनजर रखते हुए मैंने एक ब्यूटीफुल सा एक्ट कंपोज किया है. NRIs जो हैं उनके लाइफ पे, उनके उसूल पे, उनके जो वैल्यू सिस्टम्स हैं, उन्हीं को मद्देनजर रख के एक परफॉर्मेंस दिया गया है ओपनिंग एक्ट में. और क्लोजिंग एक्ट में डूइंग अ वेरी नाइस big Bollywood meets Hollywood kind of a bash. So it's going to be a celebratory one.
इंडस्ट्री की बात किया जाए तो फिर कौन आपको NRI लगता है इंडस्ट्री?
बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, काफ़ी सारे एक्चुअली बॉलीवुड में से NRI.
Whom you feel is with NRI kind of?
See, NRI is a non-resident Indian, which which means they don't reside in India. They are Indians, but they are living abroad and having a business setups there. So I'm not sure कि वो अगर Bollywood industry में होते हैं, how are they going to kind of manage? Because you have to be in India. So is there any Indian that I know from the Bollywood industry who's an NRI? In the Bollywood industry, no, but probably I know a lot of NRIs. So my brother is an NRI, I can tell you, but I don't know in the Bollywood industry. Sorry.
Thank you so
No
much.
worries. No worries.
So today at the NRI Awards by Times, I have come to receive the award for the global impact that Bahubali has had this year. And it's immense pleasure because as an actor, this is once in a lifetime opportunity where you get a film which influences people way beyond the film. I think people remember character names, I mean, Bahubali became like a mania. So to be a part of a franchise like that, I think is first of all a really, really amazing experience, and then being honored for it is there could be nothing better than that. So I'm very, very thankful to Times Now, and this award is truly very deserving to the entire team who's worked so hard for so many years to make this amazing film, which hopefully will be remembered forever.
So after the success of Bahubali, which one you choosing to select any script of the movie?
Well, for me, after Bahubali, it's more important for films that excite me. This year I have 3 projects. One is a Hindi film called Khamoshi that is being produced by Vashubar Nanaji, and there is Prabhu sir acting. I'm doing a Tamil film called Sketch, which is with Vikram, and I'm doing a Telugu film which is untitled, but it's directed by Kunal Kohli, and Sandeep Kishan is acting. And what I love about the time that I am in right now is that the lines between languages is just blurry. People are wanting to watch good films, people are wanting to watch good cinema. So the fact that regional cinema is being accepted in such a big way, I think it's a great time, and I'm happy that I'm working in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and I'm able to kind of give my time in a well-assorted way to all these 3 languages, of which all 3 I can speak.
People are talking about you and Prabhas, the combination of both of you are seeing success. When do we see this dynamic, kind of a nuclear, couple back again? Which project are we looking at?
I really hope Sinsi Prabhas is an amazing actor, and most importantly, he's an amazing friend. And it would be my pleasure, and would be the most fun process for me to again collaborate with him on a film. I know for a fact when we get the right project, we will collaborate together. And yeah, I'm sure till then we'll be creating cinematic magic anyway.
So is Bollywood, is Bollywood waiting for you? Because eventually you're going to do it down south, but when will Bollywood get seen?
I guess you will never know. I think somebody has to come up with a script where they think of casting us together again. And yeah, I hope everybody's listening.
So yeah, so another blockbuster.
Why not? Maybe in Hindi next time.
Absolutely.
It's really sad. See, if there is any kind of terrorism in any place, it's just, there's no sense to it. It's really tragic, and it's terrible to even hear of it. I have been in London twice when it happened in London, so I don't know. I think everywhere in the world the situation seems to be the same. At the end, it's just innocent people that get affected, which is so unfair. I don't know what more can we do except feel terrible and feel bad and condemn it. So it's just sad, and it's not a very good thing to know or a good thing to read. It's very disturbing actually.
You've been seen as a global icon in the last question. What do you have to say about the people residing out of India? Any message for them?
Well, what I think is people who actually live away from India, sometimes those Indians are way more Indian than Indians living in India. Because we are anyway exposed to all the Indianness that they can be. But there, I guess, people really want to catch and hold on to everything that is Indian. And it's beautiful. I have a lot of family that lives abroad, and I know how much they enjoy movies or anything related to our culture. The more they get to know about it, the more they're intrigued about it. So yeah, I guess the way we connect with them is through movies. So I hope we can make more movies that kind of go out and reach out to all the people, all Indians who live over here.
One line from Bahubali, did you want to say any dialogue for the fans?
Jai Maheshwati.
Thank you.
मैम यहाँ पे विजुअल लीजिए
Should I go to the top? Is that better?
guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.